company. It's been some time since I got the Google Pixel 4a, and today we are unboxing a new phone, as my time with the Google Pixel 4a is just about up. So in here we have the POCO X3 NFC. Weird that NFC is like a flagship feature, that they put it in a little box thing on the packaging. Like, it's in the name that it's NFC. I have to say, this is a very nice box for like a $200 phone. I think it was right within my price range of $300. So I think it was $299. But I mean, a good deal for a phone. And then the box looks like this. Looks like, I don't know, a really nice phone. It's weird that, this is an adapter for like an international. I'm guessing that means that the plug-in here is not the American one. This is an international version phone. It does not have a warranty. If your device arrives in a foreign language, here's how you can change it. Wow. That's a weird disclaimer to have in the box. Like, okay. No judgment. It's a $300 phone, so Xiaomi. I have never tried a Xiaomi phone. Sorry that unboxing got cut short. There is an issue with the camera. Let's get into the review. Battery, I give a 9.5 out of 10. It lasted 2 days, if not more. And that's pretty good for how I use a phone. I'm watching videos like all the time. Biometric gets an 8.5 out of 10. I really was a fan of the fingerprint sensor on the side. I pick up my phone and set my finger there, and it unlocks. That was a very good alternative to face unlock, because I know secure face unlock is hard to do. It also did do face unlock, and I had that turned on, because who's gonna like point it at a picture? I mean, I know you can do that, but like no one's really gonna. But I really liked pick it up, put my finger there, and it unlocks. Pretty fast, actually. It was actually part of what made the phone so fun. Moving on to camera. Camera wasn't too great. 6 out of 10. It was just average. So, 6 out of 10. Charging styles and ports receives a 6 out of 10. No wireless charging, USB-C, headphone jack. Design and durability gets a 7 out of 10. I think that the back of the POCO X3 NFC looks cool, and it came with the case. So, display gets a 5 out of 10. I was really annoyed by accidental touches. I'd be holding the phone, playing a game or something, and it would think I touched somewhere and it'd like be freaking out. That was really annoying. Not to mention it was LCD, not OLED. 5 out of 10. Software and performance gets a 9 out of 10. It was pretty good software. I really liked the Xiaomi skin. It was kind of, now, I'm sorry, Apple fan in me coming out. It was kind of like, let's take everything Apple does and do it better. So like, there was the control center when you swipe down from one corner, and the notifications from the other corner. And it was like, it was all Apple-y, but better. So I really did enjoy the Xiaomi operating system, the MIUI. So 9 out of 10 on that. Speaker quality receives a 5 out of 10. It was average. They were stereo, but every phone should be at this point. So 5 out of 10 on the speakers. Wireless connectivity receives a 7 out of 10. and price to value receives a 10 out of 10. This phone was less than $300. So I think it deserves a 10 out of 10 on the price. So the total score of the Xiaomi POCO X3 NFC is 73%. Now, if you remember last video, the Google Pixel 4a 5G received a 72.5%. I believe that the Xiaomi POCO deserves more than the Google Pixel just because of the price value. But all of the things that I rated got added up, and it's only 0.5 more. But I would definitely suggest the Xiaomi POCO, like, to anyone who wants a really cheap budget phone. So 73% for the Xiaomi POCO X3 NFC. Link to the Xiaomi POCO X3 NFC down in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below your thoughts on this video. That's about all I have for you.